How to add a countdown timer to your Shopify, your password page. So first of all, make sure you logged into Shopify, then go to the search bar. Here search for countdown timer, and then here you'll be able to see essential countdown timer. So simply select that. So once you're here, you'll be seeing an option that reads create a new timer, and then what the type is, you'll have to select the landing page, select this type of timer, and from here you can simply enter your countdown name, your title according to your wish. So instead of hurry up, you can put like grab it, so you can do it according to your wish. Also you can enter your link, your shop now button text, also your call to action option. Also he also your subheading, also enter your time levels according to your wish. Here you can see you can enter a design according to your wish also as well. But the most important thing what you'll have to do is go ahead to the placement section and make sure you do it to the password page, and then here you can see in the content section. So once you do all this, so simply press on this publish section. So make sure you have a starter plan, and then you can be able to do so. Once you press on publish from the placement section, if you have selected the password page, your countdown timer will be added to your Shopify password page. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.